I have the Rorra Water Filter System here. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. I can't wait to use this. So we are going to start here. As you can see, it's packed really nice. Like, packed really, really well. Okay, let's see. We have the information packet. This is your filter. They have in here. I'm going to tip it on its side. We have this here, which is the countertop mat. Woo. And the system itself. Okay, so this has some really easy little strips that you just pull to open it, which I didn't see, so it would like making a mess. And then you're just gonna come out like this. The bottom, you've got the base here. Okay, and this holds 2.5 gallons of water. This looks like a filter holder. Okay. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Okay. Get all that done. Let me see. Okay. So here. Go here. Let's take this off. And like I said, I'm so excited to use this. I had water delivery service and it was getting out of hand. It's gotten so expensive. And I also just didn't want to be drinking out of plastic bottles anymore. And this like filters out microplastics, PFAS, chlorine. So yeah. This is the filter. And they have a shipment program where the filter is delivered right on time. And so I'm going to open this. Like that, and this just twists on, super easy. Let's take this off for filling. Max line, okay. So I got this off. Let me take this off. Get this out of here. Okay. This just sets right in here. Okay, so we are not filling this up because I need to wash all the components first. They have this great little quick start guide in here that goes over how to do all that. The initial setup has 3 fills to get to your 2.5 gallon capacity, and then it actually just needs to be topped off. But the first initial fill, you'll do 1 gallon. It's gonna take 60 minutes to filter that, and then you'll continue adding a couple more times after that to get to your 2.5. But I do need to wash all of these before the first fill, or they suggest that you do, which is a great idea. I will do a full review on this product after I use it, but as far as the setup, it's so much easier than I thought it would be. And as for like the size of it, I think that it is a great size for any countertop. It's not going to take up too much space. It's a pure stainless steel, so you are not getting any plastic. I'm really excited about that, and I can't wait to use it. I will drop a link below and you guys can check that out. Also, look out for my next review that I will do in a couple weeks after using this for a while.